If you know where to look, you can find a good pair of earbuds without having to shell out tons of cash. And in this video, we break down the top 3 cheap earbuds on the market this year, based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for a set of cheap true wireless earbuds with good battery life, or a set of cheap earbuds with good sound quality and active noise cancellation, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which cheap earbuds will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Aukey EP-T21, our choice for best cheap earbuds under $30. Aukey's EP-T21 earbuds are one of the best budget earbuds available and come to you at an unbelievable ultra-budget price point that makes them an absolute steal. In terms of build quality, the EP-T21s are made of plastic, so they don't really have that premium feel, but at the same time, they don't necessarily feel cheap or inferior either. And just like Apple's AirPods, you can get touch controls on the side which lets you answer calls, skip between songs, and activate Siri or Google Assistant, depending on which mobile device you use. Considering the price point, the sound quality is quite impressive. The EP-T21s can get pretty loud and will give you a fair amount of low end. They connect to your preferred device when you take them out of the case and power down when returned to the case. The Bluetooth connection itself is rock solid and gives you a lot of range to work with, so it's highly unlikely that you'll experience connection drops unless you move completely out of range. Latency is good too, with no noticeable delay between audio and video when watching movies or YouTube. These earbuds are so lightweight that they remain comfortable, even after wearing them for an extended period of time. But since they are only rated IPX4 waterproof, you'll have to exercise some caution when it comes to getting them wet. They are water resistant, not waterproof, so water can still get inside them and damage the components. Battery life is perfectly respectable, giving you up to 5 hours of continuous playback and an extra 20 hours when you factor in the charging case, totaling 25 hours for the entire package. There are a lot of true wireless earbuds that offer affordable price points, but few go as low as the Aukey EP-T21. Your first reaction might be to assume that earbuds this cheap wouldn't be worth the time of day, but the EP-T21 managed to offer a great all-around user experience. Build-in sound quality is good, there's an element of water resistance, and battery life split between the earbuds and the case gives you enough power to keep you going all day. Now we'll take a look at the VooNex Sound Element Duo, our choice for best overall cheap wireless earbuds. At a slight price bump, the VooNex Sound Element Duo gives you all the core features you'd want, including excellent clear high-fidelity sound, IPX7 rating, comfort fit for all-day wear, along with a 2000 mAh charging case that can also be charged wirelessly. For a pair of cheap earbuds, the Element Duo are hard to beat in terms of both sound and features. The sound quality has a rich overall tone that extends down to the lower frequencies, and produces some nice bass response without overpowering the mids and highs. It's not at a level that would get the nod from audiophiles, but the sound is quite detailed, and can certainly give more expensive options a run for their money. The audio quality is pretty impressive across the board. From music to spoken word, everything sounds clear and balanced. The Element Duos offer a secure fit that on its own provides a good level of passive noise cancellation and features clear voice capture to filter out background noise for calls. Its Bluetooth 5.0 delivers a stable connection with no dropouts, and for workouts, its IPX7 rating gives them good immunity from water damage. They can handle sweat, rain, water splashes, and if you accidentally drop one in the pool, you're still covered. In terms of battery life, these earbuds come with a charging case that can be charged via USB-C or wirelessly, and the case also doubles as a power bank, which is a cool bonus to have for emergencies. The earbuds give you about 5 hours of playtime, and you get up to 20 additional full charges with the case. Plus, you'll always know how much power you have to work with thanks to its nifty LED case battery percentage display, which alone makes the Element Duos worth it in my books. If you're looking for a top set of cheap wireless earbuds that performs above and beyond its price class, you can't go wrong with the VooNex Sound Element Duo. They have everything you're looking for in comfort and sound quality, as well as solid connectivity and power options that just won't quit. Last, we'll be looking at the MPOW X3, our choice for best cheap earbuds with ANC. If active noise cancellation is top on your list, then MPOW's X3 true wireless earbuds brings active noise cancellation at a budget price point. The X3s have 10mm drivers with a frequency response of 20Hz to 20,000 Hz, so everything is nice and crispy, and they offer plenty of volume. The bass is pretty present and powerful, and overall, the audio fidelity is pretty impressive based on how much these cost. The charging case fits easily into your pocket, backpack, or purse. The flip-up top reveals the earbuds, which are held in by magnets. On their own, the earbuds have a battery life of about 7 hours with ANC disabled, and about 6 hours with it enabled. The case also stores an additional 23 hours of charge, so you can top your earbuds up for a day out on the go. The case has a nice grippy feel, and when you open it, the remaining battery life is displayed so you always know how much reserve power you have to work with. These earbuds fit well in your ear and are great for workouts as they're IPX7 rated waterproof. They also come with a variety of different size ear tips and some extra soft tips to help you get the best fit possible. For noise cancellation, the X3s use 4 different microphones, lowering or eliminating all lower frequency noises. It's not the best noise cancellation out there, but for the price, the ANC performs quite well and is above expectations. Bluetooth 5.0 provides connectivity and will give you an effective range of about 150 feet. The X3s use touch controls and respond to taps. If you tap once, you can adjust the volume up or down, 2 taps pauses, 3 tap skips forward or back, and holding down activates your voice assistant. If you've been looking for a good set of cheap wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation, MPOW's X3 earbuds give you that and a lot more. You'll also enjoy good audio fidelity, a secure fit, waterproof design, all without breaking the bank. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.